the system. We'll give him the chirp now. Go ahead and disarm it. Yeah, you can do this anywhere in the world. You're gonna be in Alaska, and go ahead and pump the trunk. Should pop the trunk right now. Alright. And then he'll get the notification if the alarm fires off. Show him the GPS. Yeah, you got the GPS here. You know, of course you have the app on the phone that is big, but you know, if you have your phone in your pocket and you want to get into the car, you can do it from your watch anywhere in the world. It's pretty nice. A little gadget there. Yeah, that Viper Smart Start install here, Miami, Florida, by Auto Launch Specialist in this Q50. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.